everyone, it's Kara from X-Chem, and today we're going to be making our own lanterns. To make these lanterns, you only need a few simple things that you'll probably find around your kitchen. And they are an orange, some oil. I have vegetable oil here today, but you could use olive oil. We're also going to need matches to light our lantern, and then you'll also need a sharp knife, which you'll need an adult to help you with, and a spoon. Okay, so for step one of making our orange lanterns, we're gonna have to cut the orange horizontally. And it's super important that you do not cut both ends, these ends of the orange, and you wanna cut horizontally this way. And you may need an adult to help you with this step, so please be careful. There we go, so there's step one. I have both halves of my orange. Okay, so now that we have two orange halves, the half of the orange that had the stem needs to be cleaned out and leaving the middle part, and this will be the wick of the candle. So you see this part had the stem in it, so that's gonna be our wick of the candle, and then this part will be the top of the lantern. So next we're gonna make the top of the lantern. So this one you don't have to be as careful with, but we're going to scoop everything out. Alright, so everything is scooped out. We have the stem intact, and then we have the top, and you're left with a yummy snack. Alright, next we're going to cut the top of the lantern so that we'll be able to see the light shine through the top. And you'll really want an adult to help you because we'll be using a sharp knife for this. So you'll just cut a circle in the top half of the lantern. If you're creative, you can make it into a star shape or any other shape, but I'm not so creative, so I'm just going to do a plain old circle. Alright, so we have all parts of our lantern, and now we're just going to fill the bottom half with some oil, making sure that we cover some of the wick with the oil, because we want the oil to saturate up the stem. Go. And now is the hard part. You have to let the wick soak up a lot of the oil for a long period of time, preferably overnight. So we'll just let that sit for now. So I already have an orange already done, and we're gonna light that one together. This one has been soaking overnight. Okay, so the orange is lit, and now I'm going to put the top of it on carefully. And there we go.